For everyone! Chocolate cake!
I was just talking about that!
Wala! Hey, you guys! Kuya!
Everybody! Umiyak ka rin. Masaya ako kasi
Yes! Everyone!
It's for everybody.
Everyone!
Mommy, it's your dream come true! Yung mga simple joys in dinner, tinitake natin for granted sa labas. Pag dito, dumadating kunwari tubig, kunwari cake na ganyan, parang sobrang life-changing, parang cake! Tapos biglang may cake.
Habang ang lahat ng celebrity housemates ay nagsasalo sa di inaasahang sorpresa, sa labas naman ng bahay, nagpapahayag ng pagmamalasakit ang pamilya ni housemate Yayo.
Nakita ko yung strength nandun and keep it up. Mga anak mo tuwan-tuwa, all of us. And I'm very, very proud of you.
Ilang saglit pa si Donnie naman ang pumasok ng confession room para sa kanilang weekly task.
Housemates, susubukin ko ang inyong teamwork at cooperation sa isang kakaibang weekly task na tatawagin kong gising na gising.
Ano ba naman? Kung nakakagulat ka naman, kuya.
Para sa linggong ito, magkakaroon lamang kayo ng hindi lalagpas sa 25 hours of sleep.
Oh my God.
5 hours?
Allowed lamang ang celebrity housemates na matulog ng 25 hours sa buong linggo. So sa bawat araw, halos 6 hours lang ang tulog ng mga housemates. Kasama na dyan ang siesta at pagtulog sa gabi. Mananalo kaya sila sa 3rd week in a row?
Kasi walang wake-up call, so may kailangan gumising.
Sino ko namin nagigising dito?
Ako.
Pero hindi ko lang alam kung anong oras yun.
Tayo. Start now. Start na tayo?
Yeah. No,
Anong gagawin?
5 hours.
Kaya walang napping.
As soon as we wake up, wala nang napping.
Kailangan natin maglaro. Mag-isip tayo ng laro. Laro lang tayo ng laro nito.
Oo. Tayo to.
Halloween
Kaya
pa
to.
naman, Puch.
Wala masyadong wag muna mag-swimming. Kasi yan
Sana walang sasama loob kapag ginising. Baka nakakaway ka.
Ano, baan ba natin
Puyat
yung
pa naman
couches?
ang tao, may tendency makapag-aw.
Ilang percent kayo?
Close na kayo ni
50.
Gusto ko nila 50.
Masyado kayong safe. May hamon ako sa inyo. Yung makukumbinsin ninyo ang mga housemate na mag-pay ng 100% pagkakaroon ng magandang birthday celebration para kay McCoy. Kapag hindi sila pumayag, mawawala ng birthday celebration si McCoy.
Ganun si Maribel.
Guys, want to...
Mali na naman si Mariel. May number, may...
Mas 100 yan.
No, it's either 50 or 100. Honestly, I can bet 100%.
Yes.
That's for me. I don't know with the
It's easy to do the activity. The problem is the attitude. The worst thing that could happen to us is magkakagalit tayo, wala pang pagkain dahil walang budget. You know what I mean?
Botohan tayo. Sige, who votes for 50%? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
But guys, don't you think like if we do this, makaka-party tayo?
Not party.
Antok na tayo para pumarty ba na tayo?
Marami yosi. It's the same, right?
McCoy, tumutol ka pa kaya kung malaman ang para sa'yo ang 100% bet na to?
Party. I'm sure we're gonna make it. So make it 100. Kasi we don't have the attitude of losers. But imagine we're not losers. It's a weekly task naman. Yeah. And let's say we divide the time pretty well. Okay tayo, di ba?
Paano kung it's all planned out na, pero hindi wala tayong oras, wala man tayong alarm clock, wala tayong wake-up call. What if dun sa konting hours na yun, makaidlip yung kung sino magkakaya gumising? So 75 goes for 75%.
75%. Raise your hand.
Ano to? Option to?
Going once.
Going twice, okay. No one votes for 70.
100.
100 Baron. Donnie, 100. The guys are 100. Victor Baca, 100. Apat na yung 100. Victor, ang kapal na mukha mo para mag-vote ng 100%. Buong araw ka, 22 25 hours ka tulog kahapon.
Me, it's everybody's responsibility, dude.
It's everyone. If you trust everybody, you know.
Alam niyo kung anong kilang dyan, basta may ginagawa kayo, hindi kayo aantokin. So kahit wala na talagang gagawin, paano ko yung gagawin? Guluhin niyo yung closet niyo, tiklopin niyo lahat. Ganun lang yun eh.
It's been like pushing each other and saying, this team is great, and then 50 lang yung bibigyan natin ourselves.
Hindi, it's just that being safe.
About 100, there's gonna be something big waiting for us. You know, I'm just saying, you know, I just believe in all of you.
Yung mga
And
mag-decide, yung
just
mga hindi
believe
naganap.
me when I
Yun na
say
Yung mga hindi
100%.
naganap.
Because I don't always say 100%.
May sinabi rin school.
I'm gonna say how much. You know, I just want to
It's a bigger price.
It's gonna be super worth it.
What?
Feeling ko may sinabi si Kuya kay Tony.
Sinabi ni Kuya, kailangan niya 100%.
Okay, 100%. Sige, kaya. Hindi.
100%?
Dominic, kasi sinabi ni Donnie.
Whatever. I'm
Dominic, Donnie said, so nakakonvince ako. So kung kunwari man magutom tayo, kunwari man matalo tayo, meron naman tayong daily supplies, meron naman tayong bread. Tapos pwede naman natin tipidin kung ano man yung meron tayo. So magpaya tayo for 1 week.
And I know this, guys.
Diba? So,
See,
I told you.
Yeah, di ba?
Sige. Alright. Game ako sa 100%. Go, Donnie. If it's gonna save your ass,
I just...
100% tayo, ha?
100%.